अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की ये वीडियो मेरी पिछली वीडियो की ही कंटिन्यूएशन है। सो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड इट्स सी पार्ट। नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी। आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर 2 केस हैं, सो इट मीन्स दैट वी विल नीड टू कंबाइन दीज 2 टर्म्स इंक्लूडिंग के। यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमें ये करना होगा कि हम इस 5 को वी टेक इट टू द अदर साइड। यहाँ पर ये डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो ऑन द अदर साइड इट विल बी multiplied. So we get k plus a is equal to 15k. Now the question seems very simple. इस k के साथ 1 है because when there is no number with a variable it means there is 1. So we take it to the other side and it will be subtracted. So we get a is equal to 14k. Now this 14 is being multiplied over here, so on the other side it will be divided. So this is your answer. You may note it down. Next we move on to the question number 3. Now in this question we have to make age the subject of the formula. So the first step is h minus k के ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं ये एक छोटा सा क्यूब रूट है. क्यूब रूट मीन्स पावर 1 by 3. So on the both sides we will take a cube so that this 1 over 3 is cancelled out. So on both sides we take cube. So this 3 cancels out with 3. And we get h minus k is equal to m cube. Now since we need h on one side means we need to separate the h, so we take k on the other side and it is added on the other side. So this is your answer. Now we do question number 3 and its B part. Here we have to make D the subject of the formula. So what we will do over here, because there is a square root, so on both sides we take a square. So the square root is cancelled out with the square and we get d square plus 4ac. Now this 4ac goes to the other side and is subtracted. Now in order to find d, we need to take square root on both sides. So this square cancels out with square root and finally we get b square minus 4ac is equal to d. Now we have C part of question number 3. P is equal to V square over R and we have to make V the subject of the formula. So first of all R goes to the other side and is multiplied. क्योंकि ये यहाँ पर divide हो रहा है, on the other side it will be multiplied. Now we take square root on both sides. This square cancels out with the square root and hence we get V equals square root of PR. So this is the answer of your question. Now this is the last part of our question. We have to make theta the subject of the formula. ये जो symbol है इसको हम बोलते हैं theta, THETA, theta. सो 360 दूसरी साइड पर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो गया और ये पाई आर स्क्वायर इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, सो ऑन द अदर साइड इट विल बी divided. So here we get 360a over pi r square is equal to theta. So this is the completion of the solution of our third question. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Thank you.